Hello, so here I am today about to unbox this robot vacuum cleaner. It's ready to go. Right, let's see how I work this. Okay, scissors. Right, here goes. Sweet robot. Good helper to clean. Cost-effective economic choice. Strong solution. Okay, that's it. Compare the box. Oh, right. Cool. It's clean robot. You can see. Right. Okay, let's try this out. It actually looks really cool. It's got those kind of thingy. Very cool indeed. Let's switch on the lights. Comes to the air. Okay, now so you can see there's some things here. Oh, what's this? Very strange. Not sure what that is. Anyway, there's something sticking out here. Oh, it's some kind of... oh well, yeah, I removed it anyway. What is this? I have no idea what this is. But you can turn it on. I suppose this is the on switch. No? No, it's not. How do you turn it on? Right, maybe this one. Yeah, there's a power switch on. Oh, okay. Yeah. But it doesn't seem to move. So what's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? It doesn't seem to move. Okay, I have to read the instructions. But it looks pretty cool. You'll see the results later.